Hello, people. Well, um, this software is a register patient. Allow you to register patient and sign up a consent. Let's go to see how's work this software. Right. Let's go to first. We're going to log in because we need to um, load out the consents. Okay, so then let's go to see. Okay, I go inside the software. This part is the administrator system. I'm going to patient consents, and I allowed the consents. And this clinic use handle two language, Spanish and English, right? And for that, I'm going to load out register concept in English. I put it over here, EN. Okay, ready. And then let's go to Spanish here. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have the both consents in the system. All right, let's go outside, sign out. And now let's go to see how it works for the patient. For example, coming a new patient, okay, and this patient select the month, the day, and the year, right, of birth. And you can handle sites. For example, you can register patient by sites, and that allow you make a separate database in one software. Okay. Over here we have a user and a password, and I'm going to sign up. Ready? Let's go to personal information, and we um, we're going to fill all the rest of the information like a male, man. Okay. You can change the language over here, no, in settings, for example, because look at this. Here, you everything is in English. Okay, but if somebody come in and say, "Hey, I don't understand English and I like it in Spanish," you say, "Yeah, sure, of course." You come in over here, and the system going to change the language automatically. Look at this. Yeah, you see, it's already everything is already in Spanish. Well, I forget this one. Okay, let's go to put in English. Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's go to fill the rest of the information, right? So the drive license, for example, the pound, okay, and we put it over here. It's I don't know, 55. Uh, okay, this is the phone number, another phone number, and over here you're going to select the preference language. Depend of that select or that preference, the consents coming will come in that language. Okay, that's so really important. Let's go to see. Everything is in English, but I wanted to I wanted the consent in Spanish to see the contrast about one language and the language of the site. Okay, let's go to print over here. The rest of information, right? Uh, uh, okay, okay, over here. I don't know. We save. We save the information and it's ready. Okay. Well, this patient ID is I designed this for take a picture, just a picture. It's nothing else. Just a picture from the ID. That is like a proof that where the person where you are creating inside the system is real. is real, that person exists, all right? And don't have any kind of overseer, like I can read the ID, just for proof about the person exists, right? Okay, once we have the personal information, and now look over here, and this changed to green because the consent is ready to sign. And you come in here, and the consent. Look at this. You remember where we select the Spanish in the preferred language, and the consents coming in Spanish. But what happened if the person say, "Oh no, was my wrong? I was wrong. Sorry. Can you change the consent?" Yeah, sure. I come here, change for English. I say saved, and that's okay. And we're going to coming for the consent, and the consent just change for English, right? That's it. All the information is filled from the data in the personal information that filled all the data inside the document. Look at this. Pedro Martinez, the date of birth, the phone number, the street, the weight. Okay, and here is the date today. Now, if do you want to sign up, well, once you already sign up the documents, you can change anymore the documents from Spanish to English, or English to Spanish. Okay, just you can make that change only if you are not already signed up the document, right? Once you make the signs here, okay. I don't know. Oh, let's go to clear. Okay, this part is working without any problem in the tablet. Okay, and you come here and say save. Yeah, the medical consent. I have read, understood, and fully agree with everything provided in the medical consent. I accept. Once a person accepts that, look at here. The button to sign up is disappear, and you can find over here the sign of the client of the patient. Well, we're coming back. We can over here, and look at this over here. Now you can change anymore the language for the consents. It's just in English. Look at this. Is not it's totally disabled the button. No. Well, this is the part you can make all the functionality, surgical history. You can fill all these about what a medicine, or what a drug the person drank in the past, or are drinking in the present. No, any kind of allergy. Okay, you can put it over here. For example, I don't know. Be bees reaction, I don't know, something, um flute, I don't know. uh hive, no, for example, I know it's for something to feel this. Okay, I'm going to say okay. You can see you are looking over here, all the information where you filling inside that patient, right? You can the same case for the medicine or immunization. It's about the vaccines, um, functionality condition, mental health, mobility ID. Well, once do you want to fill all that information, everything is going to be cool. Well, and this is the consents. It's already sign up. You can download it, or you can print it. Wherever do you want? Well, and this is the part to the patient. Okay, but now let's go to see the administrator, the administrator part. We come back to here. Uh, Okay, let's go to this part. Okay, I'm coming here, the general patient, and I can see over here all the information about the patient. I can see the consent. Okay, um, I can see over here on the document. Well, in this case, I have a role restriction because with my in this moment, I have a role where I don't allow me to see the picture. Of the AD from the patient, right? The rest, you can see all the information over here. You can see, right? Um, all the data, right? Well, and look at this. It's a medical record number. Any time where somebody register inside the software like a patient, the system generate this MRN and automatically and assign it to the new patient. Well, this is all for the moment. In the future, we're going to design about the new reports and filters from to the data. But that's it. Well, I hope you like it. See you around.